Hello YouTube, my name is Carlos, and today I'm bringing you another Madden mobile video. Now, I've already started to record this. I went from a full bronze team, and I've been going my way up with the exception of Chris Jr. and a Matt Ryan, but I wanted to make it pretty much a full team with the 25 players so I had. So I got Brett Hundley. I started on the defense. Seriously, I've been looking mainly on awarenesses. That cornerback is +2 awareness. This wide receiver is +2 excel, and this OTAG is +2 awareness. Now, I got the +3 catch because Brett Hundley gets -1 instead of Andrew Hawkins. That way, we're not taking a big hit at the catch. Even though it's only -2, that's still pretty big. Plus, now, another player, it's still a Swift someone going to be working with, but we still need a halfback for a -1 ball carrier division isn't a good one. So I'm tempted to just look at the halfback and see what the halfbacks are besides Posey or whatever his name is. Yeah, Posey Whittaker, whatever his name is. So let's just go ahead and filter out the Panthers and beyond with our day and nothing. Okay. What if I go 5K? This is all I'm willing to go. Alright, so yeah. Looks like we're getting ourselves a Posey Whittaker. You can get him pretty freaking cheap, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pick him up for $1,000 because nobody wants to post him for 999 coins. You think at least one person posted for 999 coins, and there's this many. You know, I could actually look for a better halfback than Posey. I really could. Like, maybe a journeyman or a veteran. So let's just look at here. Let's just look here. Jonathan Grimes. I'm gonna raise the price to $3,000. That way we'd oh. I'm gonna go ahead and pick him up. Chips on market, his card art looks pretty freaking well. A 93 excel, 94 agility. Really the only thing he lacks in is speed. And not even by that much. That's actually a really good card. 93 juke move, 88 spin. The only thing he lacks in is speed, trucking, and agility. And strength. I don't know why I said agility is 94 of it. But let's just go ahead and boom. I was hoping he'd get to a 90. I mean 80, not a 90. We're going from a 77 to a 79. Definitely isn't bad at all. So let's just go ahead and let's see if we can pick up any more like +2 awareness or anything, receivers or anything like that. Let's just see what other receivers we get for $3,000 besides Andrew Hawkins. What's going to be played for the Browns? And it may look a little weird me looking at what team they play for, not just looking at the uniform. But some teams play for the team, so it shows up. So I ran into a bit of a predicament here. Ouch, guys. Yeah, we're fixing to be paying some big money for a receiver. Yeah. About the receiver situation. Looks like we're just cutting over to cornerback and saying skip all the extra crap. So we could get another +2 awareness cornerback, which is more where I'm leaning right now. I'm leaning more towards getting the Quentin Rollins and the Darius Butler. Well, I think we already have Rollins though. Yeah, we already have Rollins, so I'm thinking about just getting Butler. So yeah, let's just go ahead and go pick up Darius. Butler real quick. That's actually a good quarterback for close to excel. If y'all didn't know, the best two excels in this game are acceleration and awareness. They were the best boost in this game. I believe they were the best last year as well. But don't quote me on that. Now we are getting a lot of -1 tackles, like on defense. No, we're not. We're only getting better than I thought. I don't know why I thought we were getting a lot of them. Whatever. Let's go ahead and put Darius Butler in. Let's do it. So put him in. There goes our overall back up. And Tony Whippet. I actually like Tony Whippet. So. But he's still a 79, which is kind of disappointing. But 97 acceleration. Guys, he's just going to pick up and go. Is there any more +2 excel or +2 awareness? O-lineman? Go ahead and look. +2. Yeah, see, like, that's what the O-line's usually made out of. Especially the Bengals, Johnny. Yeah, especially the Bengals. And no, I did not know that. Don't even know who the dude is. I just saw his hat. So please don't think I knew who he was. I said, I don't know Cody Wallace, like I thought. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up him. Stats don't look too great compared to that 60 overall, but he gets +2 excel. And that's what I'm looking for. Let's go ahead and take cornerbacks out. +2 tackle, which is something we have been lacking on. So we pick up 2 +2 tackles right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. Just type in Wilson. Oh, 650 coins. That's actually a really good price. Because if y'all realize game changer prices have gone up dramatically. Now I'm looking for some poor dude. There he is. I'm just gonna go ahead and type in 999. Trying to get the cheapest because it's starting to run low on coins. We're down to 19k, guys. 19k. Not a very good. Oh my gosh, no. Okay, yeah. Look, the reason I got kind of iffy right there is because he gets -1 excel, and he gets -1 agility. So I don't know. But there you go. Now we have a +4 tackle, but the -1, -2. So we, in reality, don't have like a in reality, we have a +2 boost. But here you see my guys are getting boosted quite a lot. Him and there we go. So up to 67 offense, 68 defense. We've really only got silver players. Look at the team. And I'm not going to put Jesse James in. So yeah. Now, also guys, when this video's over, I will be making one of those, because you see here, I still have a lot of, not a lot, but a good amount of golds. So, now I do need another linebacker, and yeah. Damian Wilson's the only one that's going to be left up, or at least for $1,000 that is. Let's just go look for $3,000. And he plays for the Cowboys. Yeah. See, I kind of knew that just because of his jersey. So, jersey's big indicator. Okay, so why did I go with something? Okay. So, nothing good. Already got tight end, already got a wide receiver, already got a halfback, already got a quarterback. Let's go look at fullback. Now there is a fullback. Question is, am I willing to drop the coins that he's up for? Yeah, see, there's no way I'm gonna pick him up. But there he is. I mean, like, y'all should be able to tell I'm not getting, like, +2 excel. Yeah, that's an amazing boost. Like, 15k for a 76 overall. That's just outrageous. So now let's just go and filter out all that bull crap. And when we're back here, I'm not gonna get the -1 awareness, guys. Anything in the what I don't want. Okay. So continuing to look. Yeah, let me go ahead and put in price I'm willing to bid if there's anybody good up. Yeah, -1 awareness. Already got that dude, already got that dude, already got that dude. Already got that position. So, yeah, not seeing anything of interest. I really want this card, guys. I can't do it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. I can't do it. Let's go ahead and look for veterans because you know I like the plus whatever cards. So let's just look for 1,500 coins and absolutely nothing. 2 grand. Just people that I've already sold. So let's just go ahead and go to Journeyman. Nothing. Now Journeyman generally have good players. So let's just go 3K. Yeah, like right here, Craig Urbick. Not that great of a player. Reggie Nelson. He had decent stats, but I'm going to filter in silvers now. And boom. This is what happens. Now that linebacker I saw actually has good stats. Where's he at? Chris Carter. You know I'm fixing to pick him up. 1,100 coins. Holy, his price went up. Not surprising at all. This is starting to become these longer videos. But you know, we get this thing, you know, I always like watching people doing these kind of videos. And I'm trying to make it more of a like thing that like good boost and stuff. So that's what this is more veered to. The cornerback's not fast enough. He doesn't have an impact block. He doesn't have an impact block. My linebacker. His stats are okay. Yes, he's decent. Eric Patterson's fast. For corner, yes. Let's just go ahead and pick up Eric Patterson. And that'll finish the cornerbacks, at least. Go ahead and buy him out. My team, did I even buy anybody on offense? Did I buy No, I didn't buy a receiver. About that, because that's actually what I wanted to do. Like, let's go ahead and put him in. My goal is to at least be a 70 overall by the end of this. 70 overall is what I was before I got rid of my whole team. So that's what I'm hoping for. So we throw in Carter. So we need an O-line and some receivers, and we're down to 14K. Ouch. Let's just hope somebody good comes up. 59 impact block. No way. You already know impact block is a very big thing in this game. If you got 59 of it, you can guarantee you can come to my team. Welcome to the team. I do believe the. Oh my gosh. Come on. Alright. I do believe it's. Oh, for the position of our guys. Go ahead and get him up. And. Oh man. Yeah, oh man. 2 grand. 1999. 2 grand. Go ahead and pick him up. And there we go. We got a decent offensive line, I guess. Let's just go ahead. No, not the tackle. 79 impact versus 73. I'm gonna go to that side more. So I'm gonna go ahead and put him in there right there. And right there, there's my 68 overall offense. Him right there, and still no 70 overall. What if I put him in? Special goes down one, offense goes up one. I guess I'll just keep him in. So I need an O tackle and 2 wide receivers. He's not the ideal position to be in. Especially if I'm pick up any journeyman. Yo. No. And I do believe journeyman players have some decent stats on them. Holy guys. What? Oh. Oh, I'm back. I'm gonna go to veteran. I'm an idiot, guys. Yeah, okay. This is more like what I expected to see, okay? So Doug Free, 74 impact block. Eric Winston, 83. And Barkley, 78. So I'm leaning more towards Winston, but he's a lower overall. Overall up. I'm not going to give him a park still. I mean, 81 over 87 pass block. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pick up Bart still. There we go. Now the receiver, I'm just going to a little bit more fun on. I'm going to go 4K for the receiver. We have a offensive tackle. And hopefully, yeah, Curly's the only one that shows up. Yeah, Devin Hester's going to come up. Hey, I knew this, so my car was going to do it. So guys, I know it's going to take pretty much the rest of my points to bring in Devin Hester. Might be able to pick up 1 or 2 more players after I'm doing. But it's Devin Hester. I mean, best kick return of all time. 4,350 points. Like, 92 excel, 94 agility, 97 movements, 80 catch, 83 jump, 75 carries, 86 speed. That is a great call. But now we're pretty low on queens. But we finished the offense. Now we need safeties and D tackles. So look, I believe that's positions we need. Oh, and I still need one more receiver. Oh, I completely forgot about that. Crap. Go ahead and put him there. Put him there. Put 1 plus 2 will work out right there. Okay, offense is done except for fullback, but who cares about fullback? D, tackle, D, and safe. So, also need to pick up some D as well. And we have 3,500 points to do it with. Oh, that's not a bad card. Rock sitting down there. Oh, 800 coins? Yeah. 700. What about 699? Prices are extremely low. I mean, for this player, at least, it's extremely low. So, boom. Now we got one of our DMs we need. So, we need one D tackle. Okay, crap. So, 450 coins for the safety. Let's go ahead and pick up the safety. One of our safeties. I'm thinking about picking Dante Jones. whatever freaking name is. And that was, yeah. So 990 coins. 750. Yeah, so that's 749. 750 is the cheapest dang, I thought it would be tackle. I overlooked him. Crap. Alright, but on defense,